All right, so that was my shrimp, my crab, and my mussels all in my crock pot. And I did let these thaw out before putting them in the crock pot. These are all already pre-cooked as well. Now I'm gonna come in with my Louisiana crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil mixture. And we're gonna use this whole entire packet for our seasoning for this delicious Louisiana inspired meal. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be a lot of flavor. I cannot wait. Now, of course, you gotta add a little bit of garlic. I have my minced garlic. You can use fresh if you prefer, but I like the garlic because it is less work than fresh. And we're kind of just doing a little dab here and there, making sure it gets nice and evenly distributed. Now, of course, you cannot have a shrimp crab boil without a little bit of lemon juice. So we're gonna squeeze one whole lemon right into our crock pot. I love doing this in the slow cooker because you can just set it and forget it. It doesn't get too hot in our crock pot. It doesn't overcook our delicious seafood. It is just the perfect utensil for this meal. So we got that first half all juiced. We're gonna go for that second half. Oh my goodness. And you can add whatever seafood you want. You could do some snow crab, you could do some lobster, but I just think that the crab claws, the mussels, and that shrimp are like the best combination. You can't have a slow boil without some butter, so we're gonna add 2 sticks of salted butter right on top of there. And now this is ready to get going. So this one, we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna put this on low so that it doesn't cook too much. All right, it's been 1 hour on low. Remember, everything was already pre-cooked, so this is just a slow cooker boil. Oh, it smells so good. That butter completely melted. We're gonna give this a good little mix. Oh, we have that delicious juice on the bottom. I love using the slow cooker because it kind of just creates all the moisture you need for this. You don't need to add any water because the slow cooker does all the work for you. Oh, those mussels, the shrimp, the crab.
It smells amazing.
All right, let's just give this one really good mix, super quick. All right, it is time to serve this up. We gotta get a good portion of everything. I just love how easy this is. I know it's not traditional, but you guys know my style is not traditional, so.
It looks awesome.
Looks so good. I'm gonna actually add a little bit more of that juice from the bottom right on there. Doesn't hurt, right?
No, never. Especially if that's all butter.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try one of these shrimps because the shrimp is my favorite.
Is it good?
There's a little kick to it. That is so good.